Jocelyn Freeman, and this is my husband. And he's been in the hospital 5 times since January. He has never had an appointment with his primary doctor. He had trouble with his heart. His heart doctor said he's got to have it operated on now and fixed to keep him alive.
I developed an arrhythmia with my heart, and in the meantime, my insurance company had cut me off. They said, I've only got $2,000 left to spend this year. Well, that will not cover what I had to have done. So I thought, well, I will go to the Veterans Administration and see if they can help me.
So we went to the VA 3.5 months every single day and said, where is our doctor? He needs to see her. She is the only one that can sign to get Portland to take care of him. Guess what? She hasn't done it today.
But we never heard from him, 3.5 months. And I'm needing urgent care for my arrhythmia. Well, eventually I walked up a hill in the street and my heart quit. And I fell down this thing and got a concussion, wherein I've lost half my hearing here and complete hearing here. And the thing about it is they just ignore you. You need this treatment, and they will not even respond to it at all.
And how can VA do that to their patients? A private doctor would be kicked out of town.
But the VA will not recognize that they have any responsibility for what happened to me, and yet it was actually totally their responsibility.
Okay, so we are here at the American Legion's Veteran Crisis Command Center at American Legion Post 15 in Medford, Oregon. And what we're doing is giving veterans the opportunity to assist them with benefits, health care, and even counseling needs. And this is our 11th Veterans Crisis Command Center. It'll also be our last crisis center as we shift from the crisis mode over to just Veterans Outreach Centers, with the first one taking place next week at Washington, D.C.
We've been able to divide our meeting room into 8 counseling rooms, and each one of them are curtained off so that we can protect the privacy of each one of our veterans. And we've taken the opportunity to allow our veterans to have the eyeball one-on-one that they so desperately have needed. Their issues are being addressed and taken care of by the various groups that are here. We've got people from the Portland VA, we've got people from Washington, D.C., we've got people from Voc Rehab, and actually we've got American Legion service representatives that are here also. So the veteran should be able to find a place where he can get his opportunity to tell his story and his concerns.
It was amazing what they did today. I can't believe how much they accomplished in this short period of time, about an hour and a half. All of my, they've filled out the forms, they've organized my appeal, so everything is set. That's never been done before. And without this event, it never would have happened.